We will now show the option 1 method to achieve a finished part from your blank. Select the outside edges you wish to clamp down on. Rule 1 helps you to make these selections. See rules. This is a BlokNgrab. This is how you receive BlokNgrab. Customize your BlokNgrab to match the outside part edge you wish to clamp down on. We need to do additional prep to your blank before we can BlokNgrab it. The time to do this is nil. There are 3 process steps and 3 rules to consider. See rules. Undercut part to finish thickness. See Rule 1. Drill through holes to allow actuating wrench to work BlokNgrab. See Rule 2. If required, mill away area to clear the block part of BlokNgrab. See Rule 3. That is all that is required to prep your blank for BlokNgrab. Here is an option 1 BlokNgrab fixture. Simple, isn't it? The fixture pockets must locate the part per Rule 5. These 3 slots inset the BlokNgrabs. These are the mounting holes for BlokNgrabs. I suggest using helical inserts only in the center hole of each array. Fixture slots to clear the up radius sides of BlokNgrab. 4 raised islands to balance out the BlokNgrabs at the outside locations. BlokNgrabs shown on the fixture before installations. BlokNgrabs installed. Beautiful, isn't it? Blowouts show BlokNgrabs in the up position. Load part into the fixture and over the BlokNgrabs. Blowouts show how part clears BlokNgrabs. At the center blowout, see the block portion of BlokNgrab? Rule 3 applies here. Always use a torque driver preset to the values listed in specs. Never use a T-handle or palm grip handle. Rule 4 applies here. Blowouts show how everything looks after the BlokNgrabs are tightened down. Let's make chips. We must program around the BlokNgrabs by modeling the BlokNgrabs as raised islands. Your CAD/CAM system will program the tool path up, down, or around very nicely. Let's make chips. This pair of parts are now machined. Loosen the BlokNgrabs per Rule 4. The BlokNgrabs are in the up position and parts are ready to unload. Finished parts. That is it. The elements shown will bring profit to your secondary machining operations. Follow the rules and begin to enjoy all the benefits available when using BlokNgrab. If BlokNgrab interests you, see a lot more, including clamping methods never before used, by viewing option 2.